A letter at this time of night? Miss Christine Day, please come and grace the Paris Opera House with your voice.
You were absolutely phenomenal.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Who is that?
I need to know who this man is. The catacombs of the Opera House will reveal his secret. What does this ancient book say? A story of his ancestors and a picture of Dracula? Oh my God, it's true. The Phantom is blood related to Count Dracula.
Can I help you, young man?
Where is Raoul? I haven't seen him in a while.
You will never stop us from taking Christine.
We'll see about that. Tonight, the stage belongs to darkness. Let the feast begin. And so it begins. Time for your final act, Phantom!
The Phantom of the Opera is dead!
I must help Raoul to stop this horror.
Face me, mortal fool!
Christine, are you ready?